What in the Sam hell happened to that boy out there? I don't know, but it sure as hell didn't sound good. Why don't you go check on him? I ain't checking on him. Ain't he your buddy? I don't know him and I don't know nothing. I was just out here drinking. Hell. You're acting like a yellow belly egg sucker. I'll go check on him. I ain't no egg sucker. Smell that? God, it's awful. That is atrocious. Oh my lord. What is that? What the hell is that? What is that? Oh. This boy is a goner. Oh, that's rancid. I think it might be. Oh, don't get too close, man. I told you. What is it? Oh. Come on, buddy. It's poop. What do you mean it's poop? Is he alive? His ass might be steaming, but his body's cold. So you're trying to tell me this boy is dead or what? Damn, man. This boy is just laying here, doesn't know what he's doing. Dead? God damn it. Damn it. No. I've seen this before. It's a punami. Oh man, we got a dead body here. Our names are all over him. We can't just leave him here. Listen, I'm on probation. I ain't sticking around for nothing. Oh, hellfire.